That's the way. That's the way. Awesome.
Substantially less up here.
Huh?
But there's substantially less up here.
No, this is the best part.
The scenic overview.
Exactly. Look at that grass.
Look at that Taste the Country sign.
Exactly. You couldn't get that anywhere else.
I didn't even take a picture with that. How big do you think those letters are?
At least 3.
Oh, yeah, thanks for the clarification.
You're welcome. This is the best Facebook Live video ever.
Hold on, Snapchat. Hey, this guy. Join the festival, God bless America.
I like him. He was very pleasant.
God bless America.
Taste the Country.
2017.
Something's going on up there. You hear that? You hearing all that?
Hey! Do you want to start our own? Oh! Hey! Oh!
Hey. My 2 favorite letters.
Kids, be nice. Tomorrow. Yes, got that. I'm gonna ride over there actually.
Just gonna send it!
They know what's up. They know what's up. You see, I like this though, because it's beautiful over here.
It's so nice out here.
You seeing this? And everyone's leaving.
Everyone!
That's a really lonely looking chair.
Almost there.
Oh man, the big turn.
I'm gonna like drop my phone on the ground.
Yeah, I'm like super paranoid about that. Should have borrowed Maddie's phone. It's not that I don't like his phone, I just like my phone more. Oh God.
Oh no, I'm not prepared for this.
Oh goodness.
Oh, no! No pictures
go.
Come on. I'll wait for you when you get off this ride now.
I believe them too.
I want to give a shout out to Lexi. Hi, Lexi. I will not be kissing your boyfriend today.
Oh my God. Look at that. The gorgeous scenery.
Gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
I've done something like this before, and it was less scary.
No, Greenland. Peace.
Everyone's so supportive.
They're
of each
so
other.
nice. Everybody's friends up here.
I love it. It's great.
My ears are popping this high.
When you get to the top, pick the bar up. Don't forget to pick the bar up.
Did you get that?
I did.
You got it.
Oh, I love it.
Okay, we have to pick the bar up.
Why?
That's what they said, when you get to the top, you have to pick the bar up. I don't know how to do that. How did you do that? Oh.
The big turn.
Clean it off. Busted up.
And back down.
Thank God. Whew.
All right. And here we go, back towards the festival.
The descent. Wow, we're like really up here.
Yeah.
Sorry, just dying over here.
That'll happen. It's truly. Man, we're gonna get a real good view of the stage on the way back, though.
I know, that's why I'm gonna do an Instagram story.
That'll be good. That'll be a good view. That'll be a good That'll make for a good video.
The best view.
No, that'll get all the views.
All the views. Facebook Live. Do we know them?
We do now. That's what you call friend at first sight.
Taste the country friends.
Taste the country friends. We're everyone's friends.
All the friends. Wow, that's a pretty far drop. You think we would die if we fell from here?
I think we would want to die if we fell from here.
Yeah, that's a better way to put it. Desert! I don't think we can put that on Facebook.
Chris! Chris!
Boy.
What?
Shooter kid!
No, it's HR and all that.
HR.
Am I wrong?
No, definitely not. Well, can mark this off as the most awkward gondola ride in my life.
Yeah, this is weird. I definitely was not expecting, that. This is not what I expected people to be chanting at me.
No.
Or us, as it were.
Wow, this is like really. Ooh.
It actually kind of felt weird to start the descent of this, because when it started down, I was like, oh, here we go, could go fast.
Like a roller coaster or something.
And then it didn't start going fast, and then I felt weird.
Prepared yourself for nothing.
I did. I prepared myself for nothing. Such is life.
It's pretty enjoyable. That's like a tiki hut.
What?
Right there, that big round dome thing. I don't know what it is. Hey, bird. Oh, bye.
Bye, bird.
See ya.
Are they talking to us?
They will be.
That's true. Why? Oh. Gotcha. I don't know. It doesn't have to be published after we're done. What?
Isn't it live?
This?
Yeah.
Yeah. And we've stopped.
Oh no!
Any final words?
Oh no!
That's terrible final words.
Oh no.
So yeah,
And
don't panic.
I love you, Mom. I'm panicking.
She's panicking. I told her not to. She doesn't listen to me. Oh, we're moving.
Oh, thank God. Oof.
I'm glad I think the reason why I'm the most glad that we're moving again is because you get another chance at final words at some point, because those ones were terrible.
I should have said I love you, Scott.
Yeah.
We're getting married, so it's fine.
No, I got it.
Yeah, right?
Ugh.
Did you eat a bug?
Yeah.
Gross.
The worst part was that I named them before I ate them, so I was attached. So the sadness will be kicking in soon.
Philip?
No, that's the name of a nickel.
Oh. Oh.
There, see? It's a monster.
Yeah.
It's a monster hut.
Oh.
It's... heading back. We're almost there. Man, this is the place you want to be. There we go. And we're back. Oh, no way. They got games. They got camp games. That's awesome. Who would have guessed? That's nice.
That is so cool.
They came prepared. That is called coming prepared.
Trapped on the gondola. Not moving.
U.S. military! Now, every year, there's usually a guy that sits in the front, that stands in the front, and he always wears some turkey head. We call him the turkey guy. We have this turkey head. He has recently been deployed, so he's not here today, but the turkey head is here. So, give it up for the turkey head!
About new music and new samples. And we've been playing a lot of new stuff. Maybe some of this stuff, because we know that our fans are ready for it. What is the happiest and saddest experience you've had in the past year or two? You write about it, some song about it. Song about the stuff that I've gone through quite yet. Yeah. Happiest? I mean, both of us are in really good, healthy relationships. Yeah. 6 years strong, 3 years strong. So that's like always a good thing to write about. Great friendship here. Anyway. You guys are so happy to help. You're around like parents who like are going to do that.
That's a good high five. And that's another one.
Put the bar up.
And we're going in for the landing.